Hello everybody, welcome and welcome back to my creative crochet studio. Summer is just around the corner and that means a lot of flowers and cheerful accessories. And for today I have prepared a quick and easy video tutorial for you on this delicate crocheted daisy. The daisy features a practical chain tie which I decorated with colorful beads and I absolutely love it. It's a stylish summer bracelet for your wrist or even your ankle. And what you need, I chose yarn dolly, which is micro acrylic yarn. In one ball there are 500 grams and 350 meters, and also cute little beads, and also a very tiny silk skein, which I use for embroidery. It's really beautiful, and actually, to be honest, these little skeins are after my grandma. Okay, let's get started. Let's create a magic ring. I will crochet with the crochet hook 2 millimeters. Into the magic ring, make a chain and then work 12 single crochet stitches into the magic ring. Okay, I don't count chain 1 as a stitch at the beginning of the row, so just make 12 stitches. Once you have 12, tighten the end as much as you can to close the magic ring, and let's make a slip stitch on the top of the first single crochet, on the top of the first stitch, but don't finish this slip stitch. So insert the hook on the top of the first stitch, pull up a loop. Now you have 2 loops on your crochet hook. Let's prepare a new yarn. I will work with the white one. Pull yarn through both loops on your crochet hook, and let's start. Make the petals. Chain 2 and then into the next stitch place 3 double crochet stitches. You can hide the ends when you crochet the stitches, so just put them on the top of the single crochet stitches and normally work into the single crochet and make double crochet. You will nicely and easy hide the ends. Okay, so let's make 3 double crochet stitches into the one stitch, then chain 2 and make slip stitch in the next stitch. Okay, slip stitch, perfect, and then repeat it. Make chain 2 and in the next stitch work 3 double crochet stitches. One, 2, and 3. Perfect. And then again chain 2 and make a slip stitch into the next stitch. Easily speaking, in every second stitch work 3 double crochet stitches, and between and after this group work chain 2 and attach the chain with a slip stitch. So chain 2, 3 double crochet stitches into the next single crochet, 1, 2 and 3, then chain 2 and slip stitch into the next stitch. Okay, and we started with 12 single crochet stitches, so you will finish with 6 petals, 6 groups of double crochet stitches. Finish the row with a slip stitch into the first stitch at the beginning of your work. Perfect. I think the size is absolutely cute, so you can cut the ends and hide them. Fasten off, just leave the only one for sewing on the cord later on. Okay, first of all I will prepare the beads. You can use any color you like. Okay, I will use 3 plus 3, the darkest in the middle, and then let's make a chain. Work with 2 threads together. I chose a green color. Make a slip knot with both yarns, and then work with the dolly yarn only, and the tiny make cross the crochet hook or around it. Okay, around it, make it over the crochet hook, and then a chain, over and then a chain. Okay, it's super easy, and this helps you to fix the beads without sewing. Okay, make yarn over, the beads is down, and then continue crocheting, make a chain. We nicely fixed the bead, and let's make one chain between the beads. Of course, it's up to you. You can make a chain with more or less beads, and this is a super easy method. Okay, make a chain, yarn over, and again make a chain. The next one, I love these small accessories, wearing especially during summer holidays. Okay, and now let's make more chains. We can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Yeah, I will measure the length. So now I have 7. Let's measure the lengths. I will sew the flower on the chain. Okay, so maybe one more, and then it will be absolutely perfect. So let's make one more chain and then continue with beads. Okay guys, this is it. I will continue crocheting and I will add and fix the beads. Oh, look at it. It's super cute. I love it. Okay, so I will continue crocheting and finish a chain, and then I will add one more row with single crochet stitches, and I will work into this tiny silky yarn into these small loops and make a single crochet into each loop, and I work only with the dolly yarn. Okay, so I will continue and show you the part with the beads. Look at this, this is beautiful. So here I am, work into the loops which are in front of and after the bead. Okay. So this is it. And continue till you reach the end of the chain. Oh, look at this. I love the result. It's perfect. Once you are at the end, you can cut the yarn and fasten off, and we will sew the flower between the beads. Look at this. It's super cute. I love it. Okay guys, so please let me know what color you choose for your bracelet, and if you add the beads or not. And yeah, if you will have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. You can put the comment right below this video. If you like this video tutorial, please give me your thumb up and don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. Wish you very happy crocheting and summer crocheting as well. Take care and see you at my next video tutorial. Bye bye!